Here's the second part of chapter 16, or 17. Here's the second part of chapter 17. Augustus Gloop goes up the pipe. So Mr. and Mrs. Gloop just left to try to find their son. As Mr. and Mrs. Gloop and their tiny escort hurried away, the 5 Oompa Loompas on the far side of the river suddenly began hopping and dancing about and beating wildly upon a number of small drums. Augustus Gloop, they chanted. Augustus Gloop, Augustus Gloop. Grandpa, cried Charlie. Listen to them, Grandpa. What are they doing? Shh, whispered Grandpa Joe. I think they're going to sing us a song. Augustus Gloop, chanted the Oompa Loompas. Augustus Gloop, the great big greedy nincompoop. How long can we allow this beast to gorge and guzzle and feed and feast on everything he wanted to? Great Scott, simply wouldn't do. However long this pig might live, we're positive he'd never give even the smallest bit of fun or happiness to anyone. So what do we do in cases such as this? We use the gentle touch, and carefully we take the brat and turn him into something that will give great pleasure to us all. A doll, for instance, or a ball, or marbles, or a rocking horse. But this revolting boy, of course, was so utterly vile, so greedy, foul, and infantile, he left a most disgusting taste inside our mouths, and so in haste we choose a thing that, come what may, we would take the nasty taste away. Come on, we cried, the pipe is ripe to send him shooting up the pipe. He has to go, it has to be, and very soon he's going to see, inside the room to which he's gone, some funny things are going on. But don't, dear children, be alarmed. Augustus Gloop will not be harmed, although of course we must admit he will be altered quite a bit. He'll be quite changed from what he's been when he goes through the fudge machine. Slowly wheels go round and round, the cogs begin to grind and pound. 100 knives go slice, slice, slice. We add some sugar, cream, and spice. We boil him for a minute more, till we absolutely surely sure that all the greed and all the gall is boiled away for once an owl. Then he comes out, and now by grace a miracle has taken place. This boy who only just before was loathed by men from shore to shore, this greedy brute, this louse's ear, is loved by people everywhere. And for who could hate or bear a grudge against a luscious bit of fudge? "I told you they love singing," cried Mr. Wonka. "Aren't they delightful? Aren't they charming? But you mustn't believe a word they said. It's all nonsense, every bit." "Are the Oompa Loompas really joking, Grandpa?" asked Charlie. "Of course they're joking," answered Grandpa Joe. "They must be joking. At least I hope they're joking. Don't you?" Can you imagine eating Augustus Gloop as fudge? I'm pretty sure they're going to be joking, don't you? I hope you come back for chapter 18 of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.